Watu wachache, watano, wa sita, hawawezi wabadilishe nia ya wananchi milioni 40.
Kumana na gukirirwo kwa ruhonge rwa igoti ni undu wa guteyaniria maumirira ma githurano kia president, Atongoria kuuma ruriri rwa Githii matongoretio ni mũmbunge wa Mũgirango Mũhuro Silvers Osoro ni mokirire mutongoria wa bururi makiuga ati itua riake ria kuingirira mucindania munene David Maraga ni rikuhutia ruriri ruothe rwa Githii.
We need to remind the president that he'll come to Githii to campaign. He'll be telling the Githii community to vote for him. And he'll tell the Githii community to vote for him, then he'll deal with their son after he becomes president, if at all he ever comes. So we are really calling for calmness from the president.
Oho Atongoria ni morite mutongoria wa bururi gwitikira itua ria igoti turia tugirire itua ria mwaka wa 2013 ria gukindira uhotani wake.
If you indeed won, be humble and confirm it again, yet again in 60 days. Right Honorable Raila Odinga was gracious and accepted the verdict of the court in 2013. And it is the expectation that the President Uhuru Kenyatta does the same, because as Senator Orengo said, the court is as wise today as it was in 2013.
Oho kiama kia majaji guku bururi-ini kugerera mwandiki munene Brian Khaemba ni giukirire mutongoria wa bururi gikiuga ati ruhonge rwa magoti ni rurugamirire na itua riu rinatuithanire kuringana na gatiba ya bururi.
We condemn this assault on the decisional independence of the honorable judges. In the same vein, we hasten to add that the robust and focused critiques of the awaited reasoned judgment by all interested parties will be well.
Ningi majaji maya ni morite ateti ya kuhigoti riri gitio makiuga ati miario ni rongoreirie kwagithia muingi mwihoko na ruhonge ruru rwa magoti.
We ask Kenyans, especially the political class, to desist from personal profiling of judicial officers who are engaged in their constitutionally ordained duties.
Oho majaji maya ni maugite ati ni meharire gutuithania macira maria mothe mekuyumiria megie githurano.
All our members as the Kenya Magistrates and Judges Association are ready and committed to resolving the other impending electoral cases at various levels with all fairness, diligence, and with absolute fidelity to the law as required by the respective oath of office.
Makiria mogo majaji maya ni maugite thiini wa thiku 20 ni mekurekereria riboti nginyaniru ya uria makinyire gutua itua ria gucokerwo gwa githurano hari giturwa kia mutongoria wa bururi. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.